Today I will show you how to use time freeze effect for your videos. Select a frame of your choice from the video. Make another copy of the video in the timeline above. To copy, hold the Alt key on the keyboard and bring the video up. Click the right button on the video. Next, click on Add Frame Hold. The video is converted to an image. Now, delete the front part of the image. Then, from the Effect Controls, go to Opacity. From here, click on the Pre-Draw Bezier icon. Select the person in the video with the Pre-Draw Bezier tool. You can see in the video that the person is selected and the outer part is removed. Similarly, select different frames 3 to 4 times in the above rules. Well, done. Now play the video and check it. Thanks for watching the video.